Alrighty, boys and girls, today's problem of the day reads, Joshua has $3.47. He spent 8 dimes for a ruler. How much money does Joshua have left? Well, what do we know? We know that Joshua has $3.47. He spent 8 dimes. 8 dimes equals how much money? Get ready. Yes, 80 cents. So we're going to subtract 80 cents from $3.47 to see how much money Joshua has left. All right, 7 minus 0 is 7. We can't take 8 from 4, so we need to borrow from the 3. Change that to a 2. Bring the 1 here. 14 minus 8 equals 6. And 2 minus nothing. There's nothing here, so 2 minus nothing is 2. So your answer is $2.67.